Welcome guys, my name is KD, also known as Crypto Hustler, and this will be video number 13 to our challenge of turning £2,000 into £100,000. So guys, it is New Year's Eve today, so I don't want to take up too much time. We're just going to do a quick update of our balance and where our investment stands today. At the end of last week's video, we had spent £1,300 in total. Our balance was sitting at £1,817.26. Just going to go into Coinbase now and see what our balance is standing at now. So guys, as you can see, our balance currently is £1,975.26. So we're roughly about £150 up from last week with a return on investment of about 50%. Just going to go in and break down the individual coins. So guys, as you can see, Algorand, we spent £260 on it. At the moment, our balance is £414.55, so we're roughly about 59% in profit. Decentraland, again, we spent £260. The balance is £316.09. About 21% in profit. Engine Coin, very similar, is at £321.17, roughly about 23% in profit. Filecoin, again, we spent £260 and the current balance is £395.93, so we're about 50% up on Filecoin. Scalecoin, again, we spent the same, £260, and the current balance is £531.68 with a return on investment of about 104%. So guys, we're just going to go into Coinbase again and buy the coins for this week. Again, we're going to divide £100 over 5 coins, so £20 in each coin. The coins will be Algorand, Decentraland, Engine Coin, Filecoin and Scalecoin. As you can see, we have now invested another £100, taking our total investment up to £1,400, and our current balance is £2,070.67, giving us a return on investment of about 47%. Again guys, 47%, it doesn't sound like a lot, but for where we are in the market, I do believe it is a great start. I do think that we are going to smash this target of 100 grand and possibly double it. Guys, if you want to keep up to date with what we're doing and how much we're investing and where our balance is, please do like and subscribe and switch on notifications. And as always, see you next week.